What is the one key advice expert give to every professional who want better career growth in future? And that one advice is keep learning or keep educating yourself as per the scenario. Always enrich your knowledge as per the time or as per the changes in technologies. So those who want better career, so better career is all about continuous growth in your trained field and continuous learning also in that particular field for better future. So in this video, we are going to discuss 5 best or 5 promising career opportunity for better future growth. So hello everyone, welcome to course Creel. Hope everyone is doing good. So let's start the discussion of 5 best career opportunity as per the current scenario which can be helpful for better future growth. A career in the field of engineering is about designing machine, construction, work related to information technology, etc., with the help of science, technology, maths, and mathematical problems. An engineer is basically a professional which is responsible for various activities like designing, manufacturing, supervision, building, process, research and development, etc. As technology is changing continuously and technology has changed in every field which is making our life easier, this change in technology has come up with numerous job options in the future for engineers as well as the people who are non-engineers with the use of computers, electronic devices, phones, and these changes has been adapted by almost all the companies, and they are doing research and development continuously, which is creating various jobs for engineers and other peoples. So here I am going to discuss some promising field which can be better future or which can be better options from the job prospect. So let's start with the first option, which can be helpful for better career growth of engineers as well as non-engineers. And that option is IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. In India, there are numerous jobs has been announced in the field of IoT as IoT engineers, IoT application developer, automation engineers, etc. So these kind of jobs are related to Internet of Things. But first you should understand what is IoT or what is Internet of Things. So IoT means internet which is connected with the things to perform a task to make life better. Example of IoT we can take as smart home security system, appliances which is connected with mobile phones, wearable health monitors, tracking devices, etc. So Internet of Things is a technology that allow to connect devices to objects. It basically analyze and generate data and transmit through communication network. It mainly used for operational control, dispatch of commands, security, device configuration, and troubleshooting, monitoring, etc. So basically, we can say IoT is the future. Lots of companies are adapting Internet of Things concept, and we should always update ourselves as per the current technologies and as per the technologies which are coming in future. So Internet of Things is the best career option for engineers, or it can be better option for the non-engineers also. The next promising career option according to future is artificial intelligence, or it is called AI. So AI we can define as the ability of computer and computer controlled devices to perform tasks which is associated with intelligent beings. Through AI, machine can work and think as well as mimic like humans. So we can say it is the combination of machine learning and deep learning techniques which can solve specific problem. I can give you one very good example of it. I have seen one robot in a restaurant who is serving food to the customer. That robot was taking order as well as serving food to the customer. So that is the best example I have seen practically, which is related to AI or artificial intelligence. So AI is a very promising career. Almost all companies are working on the concept of AI. Every company need automatic machines, or every company are working on automation. So AI is involved in various fields like agriculture, transportation, entertainment, healthcare, food industries, etc. So in if we talk about healthcare, so in healthcare industry the robots are performing surgeries. In food industries, you can order food with the help of robots, or you can get the food from the robots. So you can order food also with the help of smart kiosk, chatbots. You can use face recognition techniques, etc. So these all are the example of artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is the most promising career for the engineering students. AI demand is very high, so in future you can adapt AI as your career opportunity. Now coming to the third most promising career option, and that is cyber security. Almost all organizations adapting cyber security system concept. So cyber security is the protection of computer and computer operated devices, services, electronic system, networks, mobile phones from cyber attacks and malicious attacks. So it mainly helps to secure sensitive and important information from cyber attacks. So due to advancement in technology, cybersecurity is high in demand, and almost all organizations and companies are working on the concept of cybersecurity system. So it is a very good career for engineers as well as for non-engineers also. Now, the next option for promising career or for better future growth is virtual reality, or it is also called VR. So, virtual reality is a simulated environment which can be viewed at 360-degree angle with the use of computer technology. It mainly shows a virtual world with the help of machines, with the help of computers and technologies. And through VR, people can experience advancement of life and even the things which don't exist. There are three types of virtual reality we consider, and these VRs are non-immersive, semi-immersive, and fully immersive type virtual reality. Now we talk about non-immersive VR. So the example of non-immersive VR are like video games which we can experience through computers. Now we talk about semi-immersive VR. So example of semi-immersive VR is VR box and headsets which can create 3D environment through screens. Now we talk about fully immersive type VR. So it gives realistic simulation experience with sound and light. For example, we can say VR glasses, head mount displays, etc. And these devices can help uh, to create a realistic environment with the help of technologies. There is a perfect example of fully immersive VR is Birdie VR, where people can think and imagine themselves like flying. So VR in current scenario is the most promising field to pursue your career, and most of the researchers are working on different projects for the future which is related to virtual reality only. So VR is the best option to pursue your career. VR is the most promising career for software engineers, but other field can also apply for this particular option. Now let's see the next most promising career option for the engineers, and that is 3D printing or 3D printers. So 3D printing is basically considered as the creation of 3D objects with the help of computer or by using computer created design. So it is an additive process where the layers of materials used to create 3D object or 3D parts. There are various advantages of 3D printing also, and these advantages are it is cost effective, fast productions, it can minimize waste, we can print on demands, etc. So there are various advantages of 3D printing in current scenario or in current manufacturing processes. So 3D printing field is a most promising career for all type of engineers. It is a rapidly growing industry, and it is the most promising career opportunity or career options also for the engineers as well as for non-engineering students. So these are few most promising career options for engineering students as well as for working professionals. And there are some other futuristic field also which has promising career like drones, robotics, nanotechnology, renewable energy, big data, blockchain technology, etc. So there are various fields in which engineering students as well as working professional can have a better career and the better growth in future. All engineering branches students like mechanical, civil, chemical, automobile, electronics, electrical, IT, etc. can apply for these jobs. Students can have established career in these field because these options are the future, and these options are very very beneficial for the career growth of all these students. So this was all about the most promising career options for engineering students or the working professional. And these options can be beneficial for non-engineering students, but in few categories. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like the video. Please share it as much as possible with your friends and your known people. Subscribe the channel immediately if you have not subscribed it. Press the bell icon so you'll get all the notification about the activities of channel. Thank you so much and see you in next video.